Can I travel if I have a pending immigration case? No. I don't know what else you all want me to tell you. No, no, and more no. That's not a good idea, especially in this day and age. But you have to think of it like this. You most likely came to the United States with a visa. You overstayed your visa. You now have a pending marriage-based petition because you're married to a U.S. citizen, but you've overstayed your previous visa, right? So that means now that you do not have any status. That means that you cannot you can't go to another country and come back because you've already gathered unlawful presence here in the United States. So if you leave the country, you would not be able to come back. And then it would totally mess up your green card application. So you can't do that, pending case. If you have a pending asylum case, you probably came to the United States EWI, entered without inspection. So you did not have any legal status and you still don't have any legal status and the case is still pending. It doesn't matter if you have a work authorization. It doesn't matter if you have a driver's license, a social security card, anything like that. All the benefits that you get when you have a pending case, but you still don't have legal status in the U.S. to be able to travel out of the U.S. Now let's talk about locally or state to state. Right now, ICE, TSA, USCIS, all of them are communicating with each other now. So if you have a pending matter and you get on a plane, you might have problems, or you try to get on a plane and you try to come back, you might have problems. So why risk it? It is too risky right now. I don't think traveling is that necessary. I know everybody tells me stop fear mongering and people should live their lives and things like that. Well, yeah, that's true. You should. However, if you are in a position to where it might put you into removal proceedings and it might mess up your current application, do you really want to risk it? Is it that important? You know, if anything, get in a car and drive somewhere. Obviously, if you're going to do it alone, make sure that you have a valid driver's license. But if you want to do it with your spouse or family or significant other or something like that, get in a car and drive state to state. It just does not make sense to put yourself in a risky position to want to travel. I know that petitions take time. I know people get antsy. I know they're like, well, you know, I have to sit here and I can't do anything. Well, that is true. But at the end of the day, you have to think that you'll have your green card. Now you can travel all you want, you know, then become a citizen. And now you really can travel all you want and stay gone for as long as you want. Just be patient while your case is pending. And then once you get your green card, you can feel free to travel.